to Giko. Giko from the center pass. Giko. Call by referee. Giko from the outside. Attempt. No good. Acosta rebound. Acosta protect the ball. Jersey number 25. DY to the ball. Numero 16. Gito Jr. First personal foul. DY to Manaag. Manaag pass to DY. Baseline, penetrate, no good, big rebound to Acosta. Acosta attempt. Goal by referee foul. Numero 25. 25. Involved by Yakto Giko. Giko pass back to jersey 16. Running shot. It's a foul counted. Second foul, numero 25. Second personal foul. Bonus shot for Gito Jr. Ready for rebound. Final throw. Ready. No good. Big rebound goes to Atok. Numero 16 underneath. Yes! Numero 16 again. Easy 2. Easy layup for Gito Jr. Easy ball by Banlaag. Banlaag to jersey 33. Pass to numero 25. Underneath pass by Acosta. No good. Big rebound by DY. DY to outside pass. No good. Big rebound up. Against double tres. Yep, against double tres. Pick and roll. Another foul. Numero 54, Banlaag. Giko from the outside. Big rebound, yes! It's a magic shot for Giko. 3 points. This is it. Banlaag. Underneath pass to the center. It's a block way up. Pass to Giko. Giko putting the ball against 25. Yes! Off the glass for Giko. 15, this is a S. Banlaag. Dribbling the ball from the center. Steal again. Another steal by Giko. Rushing over Giko to Agustin. Yes! Running shot by Agustin. Time out. Kauli. Bonus shot for Agustin. Bonus shot for Agustin. Change favor, abansi na ang Atok. Inbound by Kauli. Manuel.
Shoot! Open shoot, open shoot! Tinad lang ko gamulang ko no, tinad ka lato ula.
Hindi na na. Sirain mo na na.
Manuel. For Gito Jr. For the baseline. Numero 16.